friends, in today's video we are going to configure a single area, in particular in routers. So in OSPF we are going to configure single area routers. So this is area 0 as you can see, and we are going to quickly like A, B and C. Already you can see router names are given. So what I am going to do right now, that I am going to start configuring router A, which is already I have started. So just a second, let me see what IP address I have given to this, and I am using Cisco packet tracer for this particular configuration. So in case you are looking for Cisco packet tracer, it is totally free and you can download it. So first we will go in interface, which is, I remember right now it is not showing in that. And I hope that you know variable subnetting. So if you not, please go through that and then go ahead with this video. So as we have already configured, we just quickly go to B and start configuring that. Just this is quite simple. It does not take much of a time. I have given IP address, so I have to see what exactly. I hope that you will be able to see. Just particular. One 60. 20 this time, 20 is quite remember that. Because if you do something, again you have to go through that. So why not do in a one go right way? That is much better. So it is done. Anything else, if you can look into that. This also and routers. The same way, nothing different from anything. The only difference that I name, so I can remember that. And you can look into or not. I'm not sure. as you can see, I have to just assign the IP address. Meanwhile, just think about that what kind of IP address I'm assigning. For example, the static or dynamic. Why I keep a pause for that and continue that, and you can just give a thought about that. If you already know the answer, that is well and good. You have to just verify that. And if you not, you know the answer by I have done the configuration of router C. So as you can see, router C configuration has been done. Most important thing, always save your configuration, which I have done in router C. So it is static routing IP addresses I have given. If you do not know, so we will go into the part of giving IP addresses. So we have already gone through that. Right now, what I'm going to do, assign, or we can say that start configuring for OSPF. That is the single area. So it is quite easy. Nothing more. Just make sure that no other router protocol is running. So OSPF 1. You just give the name. You can either, it is not very important because it does not, and the way it does not take part into the selection or any communication part. But if you know that is important, router ID is the most important thing, because the higher router ID will be selected for DR and BDR, which you can go ahead and learn me in between. And if you do not provide a router ID, it will go to the IP address. So it's better to provide a router IDs. Then we will configure a network. So network is 198, not 168 dot 10.1. Then this is wildcard mask. I don't want exactly this the same, and I don't care what is the last, what exactly it says. So you should know that. And area 0, that is the most important. And done. Out. And saving the configuration. Done. Then we will go to router B. I will take 100 for this. So it really does not that much matter because I know that it does not take part in that. So why not assign it for 4? Right? You can do that. But it is better to go in a sequence because you remember that. And if you miss something, that will create a lot of headache for you to just troubleshoot them. So 168.10.2 is the network we wanted into OSPF, and wildcard not. I just want exact match, and I don't get the last what exactly it says. No, it's area 0 and done. Then again network just uplink is forwarded, so it is just gone up. So as you can see, it is up. So we can do that. We'll continue with 20. Okay, I was just repeating the wrong way. 0 means I require the exact match 198, 198, 20. But I really don't care the part 1.1. This means that. And get out the system and configuration. And the last part is routers. Sorry, it is routers. So what I am doing right now, purposely I am putting okay, get it. Now I hope that you are able to see the router A. So just look into router A configuration also, that when I configure router C, how changes are take place in router A. So 98.168.20.2, and I care about it. I don't care. So that's it. Take quite some time to get updated on the platform. Nothing has been changed. Why that? Let's ping right now. And our router ID is exactly equal to ping router C or not on 98. Yeah, you can see right now it is able to ping. So exactly we have successfully configured OSPF protocol. We have configured successfully in router C, router A, and router B also. So this is how area single area has been configured. So I hope that to have learned how configuration basically is done and how these protocols run through each other. You can, as you can see, it has able to detect this one, and right now I am able to ping the last router which is into the OSPF area 0. So that is most important. We have successfully done that. So that is more important to learn. Always ping that your network is working or not. So I hope that you have learned from this, and uh, thank you for watching my video. Thank you, and please subscribe my channel. Thank you.